we work on private markets, and by definition on private markets, information is private. So having access to all that data, it's really something key for us.
So Amundi is the largest European asset manager, ranking in the top 10 globally. Today, Amundi manages more than 1.5 trillion euros across 6 main investment hubs in 37 countries worldwide. On the back of a multi-decade expertise in private markets, Amundi decided to launch a platform dedicated to real and alternative assets, which we call Para. But Para has a clear DNA, which is bringing more transparency, education, having great deal executions for the whole community of LPs and GPs. For all these reasons, we decided to set up a close relationship and then a partnership with Preqin. So the idea of the partnership was to associate Amundi, the largest asset manager in Europe, and Preqin, the leading alternative data provider in the world. The objective was to reduce the asymmetry of information that our clients are facing in those less transparent assets, and also to boost investors' education in those more complex, hard-to-access asset classes. In addition to that, the European landscape is fragmented in terms of fund regulations, tax regimes, or banking systems. So we needed a partner able to help us analyze this complexity and also drill down at country level.
Preqin is clearly giving us a granular vision of the European market, and it is very helpful for us when we want to launch dedicated solutions in each country.
Many ways we use Preqin. The first one is that our job is not only selecting good private equity or infrastructure funds, it's also to build sound portfolios. And in that extent, we need to be able to identify all the funds that will be available in the market as early as possible. And so the screening of the market, it's something key for us, and Preqin is very useful for us to do that. The second thing that we use Preqin for is benchmarking performances of the portfolios. Once we have identified the portfolio that seems to be a good one, then we need to compare its performance with the performances of its competitors. And the interesting thing with Preqin is that we have all the data in one single format, in one single standard, and we are sure that it's reliable data. Another thing that we use Preqin for is building cash flow forecasts for our clients. It's something that is getting more and more important. Clients want to know exactly how the portfolio is going to behave in the short term or in the medium term. And so what we do is that we use all the historical data from Preqin and use that data to build forecasts.
Over the 3 years of Para, we've been experiencing the high quality of Preqin's research team in client servicing, their engagement, their responsiveness, and overall, their deep knowledge of the alternative world.